Hi, good morning.
Morning.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Yogesh, and I represent a company called 𝐿𝐴𝐴, not exhibitor, but it's exhibitor. It means exhibit better worldwide. We help exhibitors to exhibit better.
What are the current trends in the exhibition industry and how do you see its future evolving?
During COVID, I read one report from UFI that 64% of the exhibitors they always feel that they could have spent better. That means they are going somewhere or the other way wrong. And that is the gap what we are trying to fill. We want to help exhibitors to ensure that their planning is so perfect. They don't lose out money. They make the budget very well. They understand the market very well. They do not need to go because their competitors are going to a particular country. So we help exhibitors from the thought that I want to go to a particular region and till he comes back to India, after the exhibition, we cover up all the process, the data intelligence, the marketing activities, the lead capturing, the technology you utilize at the booth, and everything what an exhibitor requires.
Which sectors in India are emerging as the next big opportunities?
Oh, I would say manufacturing and the industrial, the pharma, all this kind of sectors are really doing very well. But the most emerging sector is the you can say fintech, the entertainment. As you mentioned, this Vyas, there was an exhibition inaugurated just 4 days before by our honorable Prime Minister. And that's a fantastic opportunity. Fintech festivals, so I've never heard that the fintech kind of an exhibition has more than 500 exhibitors, with around 40,000 buyers. So that kind of emerging trends are going to be more critical for the, India's growth.
What key factors are helping India become a preferred global destination for mice?
I believe that how India have been positioned into the global market in last you can say 10, 12 years, that has changed everything. Earlier before, I think around 15, 18 years before, when I used to go to exhibitions in certain part of Europe or maybe US, India was never counted a player. Okay, and we were not treated right. I'm talking in terms of business. But when I look at the scenario has been changed, where everybody is very curious about India. They want to know India. Especially the best part of this government has done it. They have promoted the culture, and the culture has attracted thousands of people to come to India. Nowadays people wants to come to India for the exhibitions, and they want to go to Jaipur, they want to go to Kerala, they want to go to Goa. So the tourism, the other part has been, very significantly benefited out of the government's initiative. That's the key factor which has been changed in last 10 years.
And how are you tapping into sustainability?
My business is not on that line because we do not organize anything. Neither we have a venue, neither we are into that kind of a service. But I believe that if the exhibitors start using sustainable model, that will help organizers to achieve their sustainability targets. And that's where I think the right frame of a mind, which I could see from the IA members, some of the organizers, they have started utilizing the sustainable model in terms of creating the entire event structure. So I think the organizers and the venues and the IEIA per se would definitely do their best as far as the sustainability is concerned.
That is wonderful. Thank you so much.